Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Monica Thakkar and you are watching Run Melange. If you are new here, then please consider subscribing to my channel as I upload videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, DIYs, hauls and everything. So in today's video, I am going to create this look which I have created for Rakshabandhan. This is very easy breezy, go to 15 minutes festive kind of look and it is really good if you don't know how to do your eye makeup. And also this is a no foundation look for beginners. I've used all the budget friendly products for this look and I'll be mentioning all the links in the description box below with all the shades. So now without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
So I'm starting off with this Pond's Light Moisturiser, and it's very light moisturizer on your skin. It feels nothing and it's a non-oily formula. I belong to an oily skin category, so it works really well for my skin tone. I'm just applying it all over my face. And for the primer, I am using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. It is a really good primer and it just blurifies all your pores and locks them. I am applying this primer all over my face as I have an oily skin type. But if you don't face any problem, then you can apply it only on your T-zone. Now I am going for a no foundation makeup look, so I am using this Pond's White Beauty BB Cream and in the shade 02 Medium. I am going to apply all over my face and will blend it out. Do not forget to apply on your eyelids if you are not going to use any eye primer or such things. I am not going to use any eye primers, so I am applying it on my eyelids as well, and also do not forget your neck area. Now I am taking this beauty blender and dab it all around on my face. Just dab your product and do not swap them. It will make your BB cream very cakey and it will not look good. So just dab, 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 dab and blend. Dab, 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 dab and blend. Yeah, that's the way you do it. Now for the concealer, I am using this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. I am in the shade 04 Medium Beige and I really love this concealer. From the quantity only, you must have guessed that it is almost getting over. I am going to apply this on my under eye area, my head portion, between the eyebrows, nose and on my cupid bows and laugh line. I am going to blend everything in. I forgot to apply concealer on my eyelids. This is because I am not going to apply any eye concealer or eye primer, so you can conceal your eyelids with the same concealer and it will give even and mattifying look to your eyeshadows and just blend it all. Now with this eyelash curler, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes a little bit. You just have to wait for 5 to 7 seconds to curl your eyelashes. For the eye look, I am going to use this Oriflame Very Soft and Glam eyeshadow duo. It's in the shade Soft Brown, and I am taking this brown shade for my eyelid. I am using only my finger and applying it all over my eyelid. It's a little bit shimmery shade, so we do not need to apply anything, and I am applying all over my eyelid. Just repeating it on another eye as well. Now with the help of this brush, I am going to blend all in so that it will not create any visible lines on my eyelids. Now I am taking this white pearly shimmery shade to highlight my inner corners. And now I am going to move on to eyeliner. I am using this NYB liquid eyeliner and just make a wing. I am totally a wing eyeliner person. And for the mascara, I am using this Maybelline Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara. It's in waterproof variant. It's a very nice jet black color of mascara, and it just volumizes your eyelashes and makes it look a little bit longer and fuller. Now, I am using Maybelline Super Fresh Compact in the shade Marble. I am using compact after doing my eye makeup is just because that if you have any fallout from eye makeup or eyeshadows, so that will be cleaned out on applying your compacts and you can correct them. Now, do not forget to apply your compacts on your neck area, as it will make all the look put together and it will not make any shade difference to your face. You can also apply your compacts near your ear areas, that is behind the ears and down there. I am using this Oriflame Giordani Gold Bronzing Pearls in the shade Natural Peach for my blush as well as bronzer. It's like 2-in-1 thing which will give you effect of blush as well as bronzer. I'm just taking it on the sponge and applying it on the apple of my cheeks. And I'm also going to blend this blush with a makeup brush. Now I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. You just have to fill in the direction of your hairs. Do not make all the outlines and then all the fill-in kind of things. It looks really fake. You just have to fill in on the direction of your hairs, in between your hairs where you feel that it is needed, and it makes a lot of difference to your eyebrows. And finally, the best part of all the makeup is applying a lipstick. Yes, everyone loves lipstick. So do I. So here I am using this Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Color in the shade number 07. It's a really nice matte liquid lipstick. And yeah, this was my easy breezy, festive yet simple kind of look.
And yeah, that's it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.